Let's go. This is a sparrow. Yay! Sparrows are tiny brown birds that love to hop around and chirp. You can often see them near houses and trees. This is a crow. Yay! This is a crow. Crows are shiny black birds known for their clever minds. They can solve puzzles and even remember people. This is a pigeon. Yay! Pigeons are gray birds with shiny neck feathers. They live in cities and always find their way back home, even from far away. This is a parrot. Yay! This is a parrot. Parrots are bright and colorful birds. They can copy sounds and sometimes even talk like people. This is a peacock. Yay! This is a peacock. Peacocks have shiny blue feathers and giant colorful tails. They spread their tail like a fan to show how beautiful they are. This is an eagle. Yay! This is an eagle. Eagles are powerful birds with sharp eyes. They fly high in the sky and can see things far away. This is an owl. Yay! This is an owl. Owls are gentle birds with big round eyes and super soft feathers. They can see in the dark and turn their heads almost all the way around. This is a hummingbird. Yay! This is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny birds with bright shiny feathers. They flap their wings so fast they can even hover like a helicopter. This is a goose. Yay! These are geese. Geese are big birds with long necks and loud honks. They love walking together in groups and swimming in ponds. This is a duck. Yay! Ducks have flat beaks and webbed feet. They love to swim, waddle, and quack loudly. This is a flamingo. Yay! These are flamingos. Flamingos are tall, pink birds that often stand on one leg, like they're doing a little dance. This is a swan. Yay! This is a swan. Swans are big white birds with long necks and orange beaks. They glide across the water and are known for their beauty. This is a woodpecker. Yay! Woodpeckers have strong beaks. They peck on trees to find insects and make their homes. This is a robin. Yay! Meet the robin. Robins are small birds with red chests. They love to sing and are often seen in gardens. This is the kingfisher. Yay! The kingfisher is a bright blue and orange bird that catches fish by diving into rivers and streams. This is an ostrich. Yay! The ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. It can't fly, but it runs really fast with its long legs. This is a macaw. Yay! Macaws are large, colorful parrots with bright feathers and strong beaks. They love to talk and live in the rainforest. This is a dove. Yay! Doves are gentle birds with soft feathers. They make calm cooing sounds and are known for their peaceful nature. This is a vulture. Yay! Vultures are large birds with wide wings and sharp eyes. They help keep nature clean by eating dead animals. This is a hawk. Yay! Hawks are powerful birds with sharp eyes. They fly high and hunt small animals with great speed. This is a toucan. Yay! Toucans are tropical birds with big colorful beaks. They live in rainforests and love to eat fruit. This is a seagull. Yay! Seagulls are white and gray birds often seen near the sea. They soar in the sky and call out with loud cries. This is a cuckoo. Yay! Cuckoo are shy birds known for their unique cuckoo sound. They often hide in trees and sing during springtime. This is a turkey. Yay! Turkeys are big birds with fan-shaped tails. They make a gobbling sound and are often seen on farms. This is a rooster. It's a male chicken with colorful feathers and a tall, proud comb on its head. This is a hen. Yay! Hens are farm birds with soft feathers. They lay eggs and care for their chicks. This is a falcon. Yay! Falcons are fast-flying birds with sharp beaks and claws. They use their speed to catch other birds in the air. This is a nightingale. Nightingales are small brown birds known for their beautiful songs. They often sing at night in quiet places. This is a cockatoo. Cockatoos are smart birds with fluffy crests on their heads. They are playful, loud, and love to copy sounds. This is a canary. Canaries are small yellow birds with sweet voices. They are often kept as pets for their cheerful song. This is a goldfinch. Goldfinches are small birds with bright yellow feathers. They often fly in groups and love to eat seeds. This is a finch. Yay! Finches are small birds with short beaks. They come in many colors and are often seen hopping around trees and bushes. This is a partridge. Partridges are plump, ground-dwelling birds. They have short tails and are often found in fields and grassy areas. This is a lark. Yay! Larks are small brown birds with long legs. They are often seen in open field and grassy lands. This is a hornbill. Hornbills are large birds with big curved beaks. They live in tropical forests and often nest in tree holes. This is a swallow. Yay! Swallows are small birds with long wings and forked tails. They fly fast and live near water or open fields. This is a myna. Yay! Mynas are medium-sized birds with shiny feathers. They like to hop around gardens and roads. This is a blue jays. Blue jays are bright blue birds with pointed crests. They are often seen in trees and love to collect acorns. This is wren. Yay! Wrens are tiny brown birds with short tails. They like to hide in bushes and hop around quickly. This is a blackbird. Blackbirds are dark feathered birds with bright eyes. They are often seen in gardens and grassy areas. This is a cardinal. Cardinals are bright red birds with pointed crests. They are commonly seen perched on branches or fences. This is the mockingbird. Mockingbirds are gray birds with long tails. They are often spotted in backyards, parks, and open areas. This is a puffin. Yay! Puffins are seabirds with colorful beaks and short wings. They live on rocky cliffs and dive into the ocean for fish. This is a sandpiper. Sandpipers are small birds with long legs and thin beaks. They live near water and run along the shore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.